Well, I've got my 8-inch Skunk-N-More trap set for the 5th straight night. If you've been watching my videos, you know I've caught 3 skunks and a possum. Hey, check them videos out, especially the one where I unbox it and demonstrate it. If you're thinking about buying one, you might be interested in that video. I'll have a link at the end, and I'll also put one in the description. So, hey, 5th night. It hasn't missed yet. Let's go see if we can catch another critter. Well, success again. If you've been watching my videos, this is the 5th night I've set this Z-Trap Skunk-N-More 8-inch, and I've caught 3 skunks, and this is my 2nd possum. So, hey, I'm not going to stand here and talk about it. You know the routine. Let's go out to our little lake and we'll turn him loose. I recommend that you at least tie them down in here so they don't just slide all over the place. Ain't no sense getting them all stirred up and hurting them. So I've got him tied down. Let's go let him loose. Well, for the 5th time, I'm out here at the pretty little lake with my Z-Trap Skunk-N-More. Let's go let him loose. Well, I'm gonna pull the pin, take the back door off, see if he'll go out. You're free. Get out of there. Yeah, I see his tail. I wouldn't be doing this if it was a skunk. Get out of there. Get out of there. There he is. There he goes. Hoppity hop right on into the bushes. Well, I've set this Z-Trap Skunk-N-More 5 days, and I've had 5 catches. This thing just don't miss. If they go in, they're going to catch it. Yeah, I know it costs a little more, but in my opinion, very well worth it. So, hey, check out my other videos if you're thinking about buying one of these. I'm going to have a link up here you can click on, watch all my Z-Trap videos. I'm also going to put a link down there in the description you can click on, go straight to the unboxing video. So, hey, if this entertained you a little bit today, hey, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Till next time, I'll catch you later.